How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you feeling?
I'm doing fine, just a bit tired.
What's been bothering you lately?
Oh, nothing much. Just work stress, I guess.
Anything specific?
Well, the deadlines are piling up, and I'm afraid I won't meet them.
I believe in you. You're capable, remember?
Yeah, I know. It's just hard not to worry sometimes.
I understand. Anything else on your mind?
Well, I've been thinking about the future a lot.
The future?
Yeah, like where we'll end up and if everything will work out.
We'll figure it out together. Don't stress too much.
I'll try not to. What about you? What do you worry most about?
I guess my biggest worry is not being successful in my career.
You're so talented, though. I'm sure you'll achieve great things.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. It means a lot.
Of course, I believe in you. Is there anything else on your mind?
Well, I do worry about our relationship sometimes.
Really? Why?
I love you so much, and I just want us to stay strong.
Me too. Let's always communicate and support each other.
Agreed. You're my rock, you know that.
And you're mine. We'll get through everything together.
I believe that too. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, let's conquer our worries together. We've got this.
Absolutely. Thanks for being there for me.
Always will be. Take care, talk to you soon.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.